About a Chipmunk here, and today we're playing some more Minecraft.
Wow. Hurry up, I'm mining the iron. I found it first. My iron. Are you coming, Gassy? Gassy Bob.
It's probably his internet. It's either his internet or he's just rage quitting. Hello?
Hello?
Did Grassy Bob left probably because his internet sucks, or he just rage quit?
He's rage quitting.
Wait, can you share some iron with me? I should literally take it from you.
I need to take all the stuff and put it in the chest.
Dang, I dig so far down. Oh my lord.
What? Can I come and look in your house?
No.
Please. You're in our house.
I don't know, but I'm the boss.
We got some people on our game. Why'd you kick them?
Because I don't want them in the game.
Those were the people that were playing.
Yeah, Pursuit Boss, Silver Guy. Those people weren't playing.
We're not kick Grassy Bob if he joins.
I know, I ain't. Dang, I found so much stuff.
Somebody wants me to join their party.
Don't.
I'm not good though. I want to come in your house.
Then go in it, just don't look in the mine. Because to be honest, there's really nothing in there. There's literally
What are
nothing
you?
in there. I don't know.
In one.
I'm losing myself for some reason.
I'm going in the mine. I need some food. I'm about to die. If you have a dog in the mine. Jeez, how far does it go down?
Pretty far. Not that far, but pretty far.
Where are you? In your mine?
No. I was in your mine.
Huh?
I was in your mine. You know y'all missed some iron.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, y'all did.
Then give it to us.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Dude, I'm dying. Do you have food in your chest?
No, but I got food right now.
I need it. Hurry up. I'm in your mine. Hurry up. I'm coming out of it right now. Hey. I don't need anymore. I'm gonna put this stuff in your chest. I had 3 of these.
Thank you. I need that. I'm gonna give myself a job. First I'm gonna cook
Do
all
not take any stuff from our chest, okay?
this. Okay.
Our stuff.
Okay, I'm gonna make a buttload of shovels. Like you don't even know. Okay, I need
I'm burning the rest of my iron. stuff is in my chest and half is like other stuff. What kind of like it is? Probably putting Left 4 Dead.
Close.
The heat got off.
Who did?
Grassy.
Oh.
I think. Yeah, he got off.
Dude, I got a lot of freaking shovels.
I'm getting the rest of my iron. And I'm saving it. You know, I got foot steel. We need beds. Do you have a bed?
No.
Well, your iron's done.
What was
Where
that?
are you?
I'm in my house. I'm in my house.
This is your iron.
Give me my iron, nigga. Thank you. Doggy. Look, dude, my dog is
burn
going
you. I got foot steel.
Get out of my house.
You said I could be in here.
Yes, I never said you could stay in here.
Your house is awesome. Awesome and nice.
Thank you. Hey, dude, here's a shovel. Here's a shovel. Help me with this. Come here and help me.
You got foot steel back. What foot steel?
Dude, help me. Come help me.
I got that book.
Go ahead, try to
I'm
get
here
out.
and open doors. I can't let it block either.
You gotta get out. Until you help me, you won't help me.
Yeah, I will.
Okay.
I don't want the shovel, but I already got one.
Okay, well, you're gonna need these shovels. There's a lot of dirt.
Put it on.
Okay. Grab that shovel down there, too.
Okay, let's go. Meg death. Meggy death. 40 whatever. If you want me to jump in that truck back, right? Where's that at? Over here?
I'll just start digging. No, just start digging all the dirt except for the one that connects to the staircase.
Grassy back on.
Cool. I can see that.
There's a whole bunch of dirt.
Yeah.
Invite us to party.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, Pop.
What do you mean drop pop?
Do not kick him. One in here. At least one. You want to know jackpot? What did you take him?
What was in the game? What was there? What was there?
Jackpot. What's my stuff?
Dude, come here and help me with this iron.
What's my stuff? If I did it, then I put it in all in the chest. Oh, thank you. I was up there and I just... Ah!
You're gonna come help me whether you like it or not.
Fine. Let's go. Resist the man, dude. Resist. Well, not good, Billy.
I need help with this. Ooh.
That's for your stuff in there. And in his mine, I found an iron. I found 6.
Did you put my 6 iron I had before the 6 iron I found?
Yeah, it's in there.
Well, I would know my stuff is better. I'll be there.
Oh! This is not like that, but...
Yes. Why do I only have 4 iron? You took my stuff. I will kill you.
I didn't because I found iron.
Yeah, but I have 6 iron that were already cooked.
You used some.
I didn't use some.
Sorry.
So,
Come down to this mine and I'll give you 2 iron blocks. More
What
full.
house is this?
What house?
That house right next to our underground house.
Oh, that was gonna be Mario. I'm in his house.
What?
I'm in his house.
You're in this mine shaft?
How come I can't hit you?
How come I can't mine?
Oh no, how come I can't hit you, Justin?
because I took off your hitting privileges for killing the grassy bog.
Can I have my mining abilities and opening stuff abilities? Guys, I'm cutting your mine.
Cause I'm gonna give him 2 pieces of iron.
Dude, make a lot.
This dog in here.
Yeah. I know he's mine. Don't hit him. His name is Jefferson.
Come down here. I'm waiting for him to come. Here. Here. Come on. It's all you get.
One more?
No.
Oh, sorry. I apologize. I'm sorry. I did that by
That's
accident.
not fair.
Sorry.
He ain't the one who killed you.
I'm not the one that killed him. I thought that was my iron.
Yes, you did. You killed me.
Sorry. You can't kill me if you do. Oh god, I fell.
Now, why are you working for him?
I want to. All we need is just the dirt out.
Okay, if I find diamond, I'm not gonna share.
Fine, I'm coming. I broke the stairs. Dude, let me out!
I gave you the ability to do that. I didn't give you the ability not to. You can do that stuff now. Look at it.
There's a dog up here. What's his name?
Jefferson.
Jefferson.
I think my mom's home.
Cool. All of your stuff is in the chest. I'll put down one bed. One bed.
I just found some diamond.
They did it.
It's a song. I didn't really find it.
Are you down in that mine shaft?
Yep.
What are you doing?
Guys,
I'm putting my bringing my iron.
I haven't lifted it. I don't know why.
Why did you get off again?
I didn't get off. I'm still in.
No, but why did you get off like a minute ago?
Oh, because of my connection.
Again? Well, I'll put Left 4 Dead in a minute.
Yeah, I'm going to in a minute. I was about to, then I'm like, yeah, I'll just play Minecraft.